Is this man a construction worker or a scientist? At first glance, he seems like an ordinary construction worker, crouching in front of a pole planted into the ground. But here's where it gets strange. There's a sheet of paper attached to the pole, and he's holding a pen, carefully drawing what looks like an earthquake graph. What do you think he's really doing? Drop your guesses in the comments.